guys, it's Saturday the 10th. We're about to head down to Daytona Beach, my wife and I, and check out the Swerve car meet. We're going to be taking the Skyline down, of course, and I'm going to just try to get some footage of the meet, maybe some cruising footage if we see any cool cars on the way down there. Alright guys, I'll check back in when we get down there. Bye. Well guys, we're down here, and with no free reservation, got into the best parking in the whole place. Dead center here with the Skyline. Parked straight across from an R33 GTR. It's fucking sick. We're gonna start walking around and just getting some awesome footage of things. So we're out here at Swerve still, and we're just walking around trying to get some good footage of the car. So I'll take the phone and we'll walk around and try to get some. This is my boy Max's car. It's so clean. There's the Instagram. Make sure you guys give him a follow. And the blue RPF ones and just perfect orange paint. A lot of cars out here. It's a really nice show. Never see him. Wish the windows are down so you can see the wide open window gap.
What we do here is go back.
Well guys, that about wraps it up for today. Sorry to get more footage, and sorry that like most of it's just gonna have music edited over it. There was literally music playing everywhere there, so every time I tried to talk, it's all gonna be copyrighted music, so I didn't want to risk it. Skyline did awesome. I had prime parking, got really lucky with that. Seen a lot of good buddies and stuff. Swerve, you did a really good job with this show. Until next time guys, I hope you enjoyed the content. Peace.